In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do SEO for Facebook Marketplace. Let's dive into the steps to maximize your reach and boost your sales through effective SEO strategies specifically tailored for Facebook Marketplace. First, you'll want to get started by heading over to Facebook. Once you're there, look on the left-hand side of the screen and click on See More. This will reveal additional options including Marketplace. Go ahead and click on the Marketplace option to enter the hub where buying and selling happen. Now you're in the Marketplace, you'll want to click on Create New Listing. Here, you'll be able to choose the type of listing you want by clicking on the appropriate option. Whether you're selling an item, vehicle, or property, it's important to select the correct category to ensure your listing reaches the right audience. Next, it's time to add photos. Photos are crucial because they're the first thing potential buyers see, so opt for clear, high resolution, and authentic images from multiple angles to give a comprehensive view of the item. Avoid stock images as authentic photos tend to perform better in searches. Following this, you'll be required to add a title for your listing. To get the best results, optimize your title with relevant keywords. For example, instead of something generic like nice couch, a more effective title would be Modern Gray Sofa Couch, Living Room Furniture. Aim to place your main keyword first and include details like brand, model, or color that buyers might search for. Once the title is refined, it's time to focus on the description. Write a keyword-rich description that naturally includes variations of the terms people may search for. For instance, describing an iPhone might go like this. This iPhone 13 Pro Max 256GB in graphite is in excellent condition, works perfectly, and comes with original box and charger. Include additional details such as size, condition, and warranty information too. Writing in bullet points can also help in making the description easily scannable. Adding the correct price is another critical aspect. Make sure to use competitive pricing strategies, since competitive pricing makes your listings appear more often in search filters. If the price is a bit higher, justify the added value in your description, like stating, like new, still under warranty. To boost visibility further, continually engage and refresh your listings. Facebook's algorithm favors newer listings, so if your item isn't getting traction, renewing or duplicating it can help push it back up in search results. Additionally, engage actively with interested buyers by responding quickly to their messages, as this can enhance your listing's visibility. Finally, utilize engagement signals. Encourage friends to save your listing, increasing saves and shares to improve visibility. Also, consider sharing your listings in relevant Facebook groups or creating a professional Facebook page if you sell consistently. By following these steps and strategies, you'll enhance the performance and reach of your listings on Facebook Marketplace.